This is Scott Whitwam with your morning real estate investor update. And today's top story, retail buyer activity is increasing as buyers react to the two-year lows in interest rates. According to the National Association of Realtors, foot traffic is up 3%. We saw a couple of weeks ago that refinance activity preceded the uptick in buyer activity. As buyers activity increases, the demand for inventory will begin to increase. This will benefit the flip market and create some opportunities for hold investors who've been looking for better market opportunities to convert existing assets into cash or trade up with 1031 exchanges. For areas that have seen large increases in days on market, additional buyer activity should help thin out the aging inventory and reduce marketing time for all investment inventory. In general, this should be good news for the real estate market and investors for year end. In today's mortgage rate update, the previous weeks showed some rate stability as markets seem to have absorbed the recent Fed rate cut. This is better news than it may sound. Unlike the massive rate increases that occurred over the last 3 years, slamming the brakes on the very strong real estate market, a more tempered decline will likely avoid a housing rush, creating inventory shortages and causing additional price escalations. Real estate has already seen an inflationary rise of 18.5% since 2021. Freddie Mac reported that interest rates remain stable week on week. On Friday, they reported that the 30-year fixed-rate mortgage national average was 6.08% compared to the previous week average of 6.09%. The 15-year showed stability also, ending the week at 5.16%, ticking up from 5.15%. In today's wrap-up, a little sweat can add equity. As small investors have been squeezed the last couple of years, more and more are turning back to sweat equity and making improvements the DIY way. With inflation up over 20%, everything related to construction is significantly more expensive. That is where the sweat equity comes in. But who says it has to be your sweat? As temperatures begin to come down, this is a good time to complete those projects. Why not create an event around completing your projects? Invite friends and families to pitch in with a picnic or barbecue as their remuneration. A little creativity and effort can help you get the projects done on time and on budget, so you can get back to the real reason why you got into real estate investing, to build wealth. Be sure to subscribe to the Morning Real Estate Investor Update and catch me on the weekly Whitwam Wealth Real Estate Podcast.